Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do some fall floral nails. So the first color we're going to start out with is We Were on a Break. This is from the most recent Madam Glam launch, their chapter 11, Friends and Family. I do have a separate video on some swatches of that collection if you want to see it. But this one is a dark taupey kind of mocha brown, and I'm going to paint this on every other finger. So we're going to do pinky, middle, and thumb. The next color we're going to take is Madam Glam's Smelly Cat, again from that same collection. This is a light vanilla bean color, and I'm going to go ahead and fill in between. So I'm going to do my ring finger and my pointer finger. And I am filming once again on my other hand, so if we get some weird angles, that is why. I was doing some extra filming, so I was switching off hands. And if you look closely enough, you might be able to figure out what design I have on my main hand. That is a tutorial coming up soon, so if anyone has any guesses, I'd be curious to hear what they are. I go ahead and do a second coat of both of these colors. And now that I have the base colors down, we're going to go into our design. So on my palette here, I'm going to put a drop of We Were on a Break, that same color we already have on our nails. And on my ring finger, I'm going to draw two pumpkins, one smaller and one taller. And I will be using my Young Nails detailer brush to do this design. And I want to insert a picture. This was like my inspiration picture here. I wanted definitely something more for fall, but I wanted something like Thanksgiving. So this kind of pumpkin and floral design really caught my eye. So once I have the pumpkins down, I'm going to put some Perfect Black down on my palette. I'm going to use Perfect Black as the stem. We're going to leave the pumpkins white with the brown outline, but I did want to add a stem and a darker shade, so I chose black. Now we're going to go in with some stamping for the florals. This is Clear Jelly Stamping Plate in collaboration with Talia's Nail Tels. This is Rose's Floral Garden. You've seen me use this a number of times. And for stamping polishes, I'm going to be taking Sally Hansen's Aloe Orange. This is a metallic orange shade. Then from Clear Jelly Stamper number 9, which is a red, number 31, which is brown, and number 56, which is a metallic brown. So I'm going to start off with the red and do a red flower first. And I'm going to go ahead and stamp this on the side of the pumpkin. Then I'm going to go in with the metallic brown and do the center for the flower. This just gives it a little bit of detailing. Then I'm going to go in with the metallic orange for the base of the flower, and I am using the same flower here. And then we'll be using the regular brown for the insides. Once I have the two flowers stamped on either side of the pumpkins, I do go ahead and clean up any excess polish that got onto the pumpkin and just take a brush dipped in acetone and lightly wipe that away so that way it leaves the pumpkin alone. And here's what that looks like, but I decided I still wanted a couple more flowers. So I went in on my pointer finger, and more in the middle I created a cluster of flowers, just with the same two flowers that I used on the pumpkin nail, but I do them closer together and more in the center of the nail. Once I have the flowers stamped, I go back to my palette and I take the black stamping polish and I'm going to add some scroll work just around to give it some more detailing. So we're going to do a couple scrolls on the pumpkin and then a couple scrolls on the flower nail as well. I'm also going to go in and fill in the very center of the flowers and just add some black dots right in the center of the flowers just to finish filling out and detailing them. Then it's time for top coat. I'll be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And here's how my nails came out. Let me tell you guys, this design is giving me total deja vu. I don't know if I've created this design in the past or I've seen this specific color pattern and everything on someone else. Like, I just have this vague memory of this specific design, which is really weird. So if you guys know if you've seen this on another nail text, let me know whose design this is or if it's my own, or if I just created it just now and I'm just having weird deja vu. But I loved how this turned out. It's definitely a cute Thanksgiving set, just some white pumpkins, some flowers, and I love that taupey brown shade. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button if you've been liking my fall tutorials. And make sure you are subscribed because we are full into our winter and Christmas tutorials from now through the end of the year. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!